Career Development Office tags any job that comes from an alum, parent, or partner of the college. To find these, you'll need to go to the Jobs tab. In the Filters pane, after applying any filters you want, go to the All Filters tab in order to identify only those jobs that come in from the Kenyon Network. Do this by scrolling to the very bottom, and then under Labeled by your school, select the Kenyon Network. Click the label, and once you apply it, only opportunities that match your criteria and have been submitted by members of the Kenyon Network will appear. If you wish to have these opportunities emailed to you, rather than having to go in and check for them each time individually, click Save Your Search. Handshake will now email you anytime a new position comes in that matches the criteria you have set. Click Edit Your Notifications to tell Handshake how you'd like to be notified. I also recommend naming your search, because later, when Handshake emails you notifications, you'll need the name to understand what search prompted the email. Add a descriptive name, and then tell Handshake how you'd like to be notified. Here I'm going to say to be notified by email, and I'd like to be notified daily. Handshake will only notify you daily though if a new position comes in that matches the criteria you have set. Otherwise, it won't send any emails. This is what the email will look like in your inbox. When you click the email, it'll show you all the jobs that match your search criteria, but it won't say which saved search triggered the email. Click See Jobs, then click Edit Your Notifications, and you'll see your title. This will be the search that triggered the email. You can edit your notifications at this time.